Welcome to Mojo Reviews, Jeep Adventure Hatteras Beach Essentials and Permits, your guide to beach fun. And the first essential point of discussion is the absolute need for securing the right permit. The National Park Service facilitates your adventurous endeavor by offering off-road vehicle or ORV permits for Hatteras Beach. You can effortlessly obtain these permits either online or at any of the 3 visitor centers situated on the Outer Banks. However, bear in mind that beach driving without a permit is not just illegal, but also a quick recipe for spoiling your perfect beach day. Once you've got your permit sorted, it's time to focus on the essentials. Your Jeep's tire pressure will need to be lowered to drive on the sand, and a good tire pressure gauge is a must. This handy tool will ensure you get it just right. You can find a great selection of these on Amazon, like the AstroAI digital tire pressure gauge. Next on the list is a sturdy shovel. Even the most experienced beach drivers can get stuck in the sand. A compact, lightweight shovel can be a lifesaver in these situations. Amazon's RHINO USA folding survival shovel is a popular choice for its durability and compact design. Tow straps are another essential. Make sure to choose a strap with a high weight capacity. The Sunferno Ultimate Tow Recovery Strap on Amazon is a great choice with a weight capacity of 35,000 pounds. Don't forget to pack a first aid kit. Accidents can happen, and it's always best to be prepared. The Swiss Safe 2-in-1 first aid kit is a comprehensive option available on Amazon. Now let's talk about some recommended supplies. A portable air compressor can be a real game changer when it comes to reinflating your tires. The VIAIR 88P portable compressor is a highly rated option on Amazon. Also consider packing a recovery traction mat. It can provide extra traction when needed and can help you get unstuck from the sand. MaxTrac's MCAL vehicle recovery and extraction device is a highly recommended option on Amazon. Lastly, bring along an emergency blanket. It may not be top of mind, but if you find yourself stranded for any reason, this could become a crucial item. The Swiss Safe Emergency Mylar thermal blankets are a solid choice. To summarize, before hitting the beach, ensure you have your ORV permit, your tires aired down, a pressure gauge, a sturdy shovel, tow straps, and a first aid kit. Additional recommended supplies include a portable air compressor, a recovery traction mat, and an emergency blanket. Preparation is key to a smooth and enjoyable beach driving experience. So gear up, drive safely, and enjoy the beauty of Hatteras Beach. If you enjoyed these tips, please give Mojo Reviews a like and follow so we can provide you with more videos like this.